Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Docs to iPhone files. So first, let's open our Google Docs. Now let's open a dummy file. So this is one of our files. Now we're going to click on the three dots on upper right corner. From there, we are going to select Share and Export. Afterwards, we are going to select Send a Copy. And then we can save our file as PDF or as a Word docx. So we're going to choose Word docx and click OK. And then we're going to scroll down, select Save to Files. Select your preferred folder. I'm going to select Downloads and rename the file to Test. And the file will be saved. Afterwards, we are going to go to Files. So let's go to our Downloads folder. As you can see, in Downloads folder, we have Test, and that's how you can save Google Docs to your iPhone files. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.